Knock knock. Who's there? Ach. Achoo. Bless you. So I was supposed to do like shopping haul like thing today, but plans changed, and so here I am going for my ID, my national ID, and getting KFC with my father and my little brother, and then coming back home and then laying down and watching drama. That's basically all I'll be doing today, but I guess y'all can tag along too. Oh, I'm so pretty. So I was supposed to pick up my ID like I said before. However, they said that there's a 2 weeks delay because some machine not working, and then I'm supposed to call before I come back next time with a receipt, which I lost. Me being me, of course. I went to get KFC, finished eating KFC, got a call that the packages that I wanted to come today arrived. Not want to come yesterday, came today. So I'll only unlock them virtually, not in person. I'll be getting those February. Can never have nothing nice in my life. Now I'm sitting on my computer watching couple Daniel tapi Zamdung Zamster channel, Zamster couples channel. Oh, I wish I had a couple. Maybe I should start a business relationship. I heard those are popular. Business relationship where someone gets paid to be with me, because why am I gonna pay somebody for them with me? I'm awesome. I felt a sharp pain in the side of this side of my head, and I'm like, what if we did? What if a cancer I go on the other side of my brain and tell me something? I said that to my father, really, and Daddy said to me, where you ever come with them something? Yeah? If you never did, I'm gonna say, I just say no. But you see, when the time come, I'm gonna say, if me did ever know, the tears that come from my face, if me did ever know. It is with deep regret and shame that the KFC I ate emptied out my body. The thing is, I didn't eat none from mine, and then we got eat the KFC, and so what I do. It's my fault, really. I've learned my lesson. Drink tea before I go eat KFC. So that's, you know, money wasted because it just come right out. Or maybe it wasn't that came out. Oh, guess what? I don't know. Whatever. Sad story though. God, yeah, this is crack house.